Let's clear up a massive misunderstanding right now. Millions of people open an incognito or private browsing window and think they've just turned completely invisible. You might think your browsing activity is hidden from your boss, your internet service provider, or that hacker sitting across from you at the coffee shop. I hate to break it to you, but you are still being watched. Incognito mode is not a cybersecurity cloaking device. Why does this matter for your business? Because relying on client-side browser settings gives your employees and your customers a highly dangerous false sense of security. If your team is accessing company portals or your customers are entering sensitive data on your website, thinking their browser is protecting them from network snooping, you are walking right into a data breach. Here is the reality of what incognito mode actually does. It is essentially just an amnesia button for your own computer. When you close the window, your browser simply forgets your local search history, cookies, and cached files. That is it. It does absolutely nothing to protect the data as it travels from your device through the Wi-Fi router, across the internet, and to the website server. If a cybercriminal is intercepting that network, they can see every single password, credit card number, and private message in plain text. So what actually protects your data from being watched and stolen in transit? It's not a browser mode, it is encryption, specifically SSL and TLS certificates. When a website has a robust SSL certificate installed, it creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between the user's browser and the web server. It takes all that sensitive data and scrambles it into an unreadable mess of cryptographic code. If a hacker intercepts an SSL encrypted connection, all they see is mathematical gibberish. As a business owner or IT manager, it is your absolute responsibility to provide this layer of security. You cannot rely on your users' browser habits. You have to secure the infrastructure itself. And remember, not all SSL certificates are created equal. Free or basic certificates might encrypt data, but they don't verify who you actually are. For true enterprise security and to build bulletproof customer trust, you need premium organization validation or extended validation certificates that prove your verified corporate identity to the world. Let's recap. Incognito mode only hides your tracks from people sharing your physical computer. It does zero to protect your data over the network. SSL certificates are the true invisible shields that encrypt and protect your business data in transit. Don't leave your company's security to chance or browser myths. Head over to sslinternationalstore.com today to equip your websites and portals with enterprise-grade SSL certificates from the world's most trusted authorities. The link is right down in the description. If this video changed how you look at cybersecurity, hit that like button, share it with your IT team, and subscribe for more out-of-the-box security insights. Stay secure out there.